If I had to start stacking silver again from scratch, this is exactly what I would do. Step number 1, start small. Start by buying your very first 1 ounce silver coin. Your very first purchase doesn't have to cost thousands. You don't need to pick up a huge 1 kilo silver bar for your very first purchase. The most important thing is starting. So start small and buy your very first 1 ounce piece of silver today. Step number 2, buy your country's bullion coin. Now, if you live in the UK, your country's bullion coin will be the Britannia. Now, the reason I think this is the best thing for you to stack if you live in the UK is firstly, it's the most recognisable silver coin in the UK. So therefore, it's extremely liquid. It'll be very, very easy to sell this in the future. But the second most important reason is this coin is capital gains tax free. And that means that when you come to sell in the future, you will not pay capital gains tax on this silver coin. And that is because it has your country's currency as a face value. You can see it says £2 on this Britannia. So that is step number 2, buy your country's bullion coin. If you live in the US, that would be the American Silver Eagle. Step number 3, stick to a plan. Work out what plan best suits your own personal budget and stick to that plan. Whether it's buying a 1 ounce silver coin every week or whether it's buying a 1 ounce silver coin every month, continue to consistently buy that silver coin and add it to your silver stack, regardless of whether the markets are trending up or whether they're trending down. Just consistently add to your stack over a long period of time, because time in the market always beats trying to time the market. Step number 4, add some spice. Once in a while, treat yourself to a more premium piece. Buy something you like the look of because you like the look of it, and completely forget about the premiums. Just pick it up simply because you like it. This piece here is from Silverpunk. There's many other great pourers out there too. But buy something like this, something that you really like, something that maybe is a little bit personal to you, something that just keeps the journey interesting and exciting. Because if you consistently buy the same thing over and over again, very, very soon the hobby and your investment journey will start to become stagnant and very, very boring. Now, the last and final step is step number 5, and that is store your silver properly. Make sure that your silver is protected. Make sure that you have a heavy duty safe. Make sure the safe is not only bolted to the ground, but it's also hidden. Also, I'd suggest putting your coins into capsules. If you put them into capsules, it protects them. It slows down the aging and the toning process. When you come to sell, you'll be able to get a slightly higher premium for the pieces that have been looked after over the pieces that you've just thrown around. And also consider putting them into another container within your safe just for that extra layer of protection. Now, this is a 3D printed box that I currently sell. I will leave the link for it in today's video description. But this is how I store my individual 1 ounce silver coins. I not only put them into capsules, but I also put them into this box as well. This box holds 32 capsulated silver coins, so pretty much a whole kilo of silver. It's got foam on the top there as well to protect them. Close it off, and then I put that whole thing into my safe. So that is a very important part of your investing journey. Make sure that you store things properly. Make sure it's locked away somewhere out the way, because you don't want to go through 10, 15 years, however long it is, on your stacking journey, acquiring all this stuff and preserving your wealth only for it to be stolen. So thank you very much for watching today's video. I hope that helped those of you that are just starting stacking or thinking about getting into stacking precious metals. Let me know in the comment section, if you've already started stacking, what was the first piece of silver you ever bought?